You can see most of the heavy shading is under the chin and just around the shoulder area. There's some shading in the back, some gray striations. And getting those gray striations in the right place with the right amount of tonality is the key to making this look right. And I'm going to paint the background. I'm just going to paint the background. You can establish all the light areas with the intensity of the white. That goes a long way. Over and over and over to get the white that you're looking for. Once you build it to this general appearance, you can see the back. She has this real subtle shading here. I want to replicate that now. And something that I do that works really well is take the painting and flip it upside down. Or you can flip it sideways, but... And you can see that I've put all the shapes that I needed to put for the hair. Almost like an S curve here. So that's what we have when we did our gray. The subtle shading of the striations. Add a touch, just a touch of orange to your white. The reason why you want to do that is because you get a blue shift in the white when you paint on black. So when you airbrush over it, it creates a nice depth, and you kill it back, you sort of send it back. You can... But anyway, that's what painting is. It's trial and error and learning each time you create a new painting. You're going to learn from your mistakes, and you're not really going to learn from your successes.